Hi there, Dori Sukap here, founder of InSPAration Management. Are you a medical spa owner or a spa owner who finds themselves sometimes saying, oh, I wish my team would do better? I get it. I hear that from our clients all the time. What is wrong with my team? You see, there's nothing wrong with your team. They're great people. I'm sure they have good intentions. They have a purpose in life. But the problem is you haven't trained them. No one is going to come to you totally trained. Even professional athletes still have to go to training. As a matter of fact, we were just doing our mastermind meeting, and one of our mastermind members is actually a retired NBA player who has a medical spa down in Boynton Beach, Johan. He played for the Sonics. And even them, he sat in our meeting telling everybody how much they train. So there's nothing wrong with your team. Your team just needs training. But the problem right now is most entrepreneurs, most med spa and spa owners, they train their team maybe on clinical training, but however, we always forget about the business training. And the business training is the most important thing that you need to train them on. They need to understand your business model, your purpose, your vision. Why are you doing what you're doing? How do they benefit from it? And how can they be successful? We need to show them a career path to really help them develop their skills. So we are doing a third volume of the Recipes for Success to continue helping you train your team. You see, developing training programs takes a lot of work and effort. So we have made it super easy for you to tap into training modules designed specifically for team members, to arm them with all the business strategies that they need to become a high-performing team. So you don't have to sit and think, what am I going to train them on? Where's my material? What will be their takeaways? You don't have to worry about all that. All you have to do is tap into the on-demand Recipes for Success. We already have 20 modules already recorded to help your team become super successful, to become a high-performing team. So all you have to do is host your monthly training meeting or bi-monthly. Let them sit down and watch all the modules. They're all on demand, online. And here's the best part. You'll be able to tell who's watching and who's not. You can track whether they are really applying or learning the training material and then applying it. So we made your life super easy, and we're going to continue to do so. So in 2021, we are launching 10 new modules totally for team training. So that would be volume number 3. We already have volume 1, volume 2. Now, if you want to get started with volume 1 and volume 2, you will find them on InSPArationManagement.com. You'll be able to get started immediately, get them to catch up on those, and then you can start following along with the 2021 Recipes for Success. So I want to invite you to participate and arm your team with what they need. Now, if you are a Flying High member, you gain access to the Recipes for Success totally complimentary. So then all you have to do is just tap into that information. If you are not a Flying High member, then you can either become a member so you can gain access to everything. You have to go and apply though, it's not for everybody. Or you can just purchase a la carte the Recipes for Success. Either way, you need it. So if you want your team to be a high-performing team, you've got to get your hands on the Recipes for Success. Take my word for it. It will make a huge difference in your performance. The theme for this year is to 10x your business. The only way you're going to 10x your business is if you have a strong team with you. If you don't, your goal is not going to become a reality. So start training and start teaching your team how to be the best that they can be, and use the Recipes for Success to help you get there. Thank you so much for watching. Like this, share it. If you have not subscribed to YouTube yet, please do so now. Ring the bell and I will see you at the next Recipes for Success. Until next time, stay inspired.